Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Olivier and Alima. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for your Mesh by Amazon business. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to submit a Mesh by Amazon application letter using AI, because ChatGPT is an AI if you don't know. How to find print-on-demand niches using AI. How to find quotes for your design using, again, ChatGPT. How to create a design using AI. How to find keywords using AI, and how to write description using, again, ChatGPT, the AI. If this is something you are interested to, please stick with me. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver, and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. We have right here a dedicated playlist on Mesh by Amazon with 77 videos so far. So as soon as you finish this video, you can go and watch all those 77 videos. You can find very good tips in there. So the first step, as I said, is to submit a Mesh by Amazon application using ChatGPT. So first of all, of course, you will have to log into the ChatGPT website. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can click on it and join. It's free. Once you log in, you're going to have this page that will appear here. And basically that's it. You're going to enter here some instruction, and I'm going to show you what instruction to enter exactly. So you will have everything that I showed you. For the application letter, here is the text that you're going to enter. Write a Mesh by Amazon application letter that I can submit to increase my chance of being accepted. I'm doing this part because not everyone already joined Mesh by Amazon. So for a new person that would like to join or that have been rejected in the past, they can use this bot to create a letter to increase their chance. Once you tap enter, the bot ChatGPT will automatically start to write a letter that you're going to use for your application. Of course, you will have to read it and review it and update it based on your need, based on your experience. That will give you a great template that you can use for your application. And using this template, hopefully you will have your Mesh by Amazon account approved. So this one is done. Second part is going to be to find the print-on-demand niches using AI. And the text you're going to enter using ChatGPT is going to be, write 10 niches for t-shirt. You type in enter, and again, ChatGPT will automatically start to give you niches for your print-on-demand business. You can see the first one here is travel and adventure, pop culture, emo, political activism, sport, music, pet, food and drink, fitness, nature, and conversation. If you would like more than 10, you can do that. 20, 50, 100, why not? I just choose 10 here just for the sake of this video. Let's say I would like now to dig down on the nature niche. But of course, nature is really vague. So we would like to dig into this nature niche. So what you're gonna do now is to enter in ChatGPT, write 10 sub-niches of nature and outdoor. Because I know that nature is outdoor, that's why I entered it here. So that's why I'm entering that, but you can definitely simply write 10 niches, write 10 sub-niches for nature only. I type in enter, and let's see what we have. We have hiking and camping, beach and coastal, wildlife and conservation, etc., etc. Now I'm going to choose here one of the niches that I would like to enter in. Let's say I'm going to take this camping niche here. I have now my niche. This is the step 2 completed, camping niche. Now, how to find quotes for your design using, again, ChatGPT. What you're going to enter in ChatGPT is write 10 funny camping t-shirt slogan. You type again, enter, and let's see what ChatGPT can do for us. I only rough it when I'm camping. I came, I saw, I camped. Camping, the only time I'm happy to be in a tent. I'm not roughing it. I'm camping in style. So here are the codes you have. If you are not happy with the codes, you can definitely regenerate the response, or you can add more. But as you can see, the codes are pretty long, and I would like on my t-shirt usually some codes that are not so long. So what I'm gonna do is to write in ChatGPT, write 10 funny camping t-shirt slogan. Each slogan must have less than 7 words. You can do 3 words, 5 words, etc. But I think 7 words is good. Let's check what we can have. Raw fit in 5-star tent. Camping because Netflix and beer can sustain life. Of course, don't use this one because we have Netflix in there. Nature is not for the bird. Camping, my way of escaping civilization. Outdoor, etc. Camping, my version of luxury. I came, I saw, I camped and nap, etc., etc. Maybe this one have more than 7 words, but definitely we can see that the quotes are less longer than the one above here, for the majority of them, of course. Natural, my happy place with no Wi-Fi. This one, I really like it. Very, very interesting. Of course, we're going to check the trademark. So we're going to go to 𝗘𝗫𝗏 to check if this quote here has a trademark. And I like to go to split search. I'm going to paste it here and click on search. What split search will do is basically we'll look for unique words as well as phrase in there. Let's check if we have my happy, it's dead. Happy place, live, but it's a design. Okay. Happy place, live and text. So let's check if this one can be done. You can see happy place here. It's a text, goods and services. So we have t-shirt here. So certainly we won't be able to use this one. So this is what you have to do. You check always your trademark. So because I cannot use this one, let's check this one. Camping, my version of luxury. So do we have here, oh, I can see for this one, camping, my version of luxury with no live text design. And I can see if I go down, nothing. So let's use this one for our design. Camping, my version of luxury. So the step 3 here is completed. I'm going to put it in green as well. The AI we're going to use for our design is going to be Midjourney. But definitely you can use Canva, because Canva, they have an AI generator of images, as well as you can use 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔. And I'm going to leave the link of all those 3 tools in the description so you can check the one that you prefer. Midjourney, Canva, or 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔. So on Midjourney, this is what we're going to do. We're going to type in / here, imagine, camping t-shirt design. So I type in enter here. There are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to use Midjourney. If you would like me to do a video for you guys, please let me know in the comment below, and I will do a dedicated video on how to use Midjourney for your design. You can see this one here that I create with a cat eating noodles. I have no skill in drawing, but I find this one very cool. Let's wait for Midjourney to create a few designs, and we're gonna see if these are good for us. If I enlarge it, check that, guys. Check those 4 designs that this AI was able to create. Do you find them good? Me, yes. Definitely, I really like them. I really like them all, but these are really, really good design. Okay. So let's check. Let's see. Let's say I would like to use, I'm going to use this one here at the bottom, the 3rd one. Okay. Because it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. What we're gonna do, because this one is pretty small, as you can see, I'm gonna click on this U1, basically U3, sorry. U3 will basically upscale. Midjourney will upscale. We put it in a bigger version, this design. So I'm click on U3. But if you prefer on your side the 2nd one, you're gonna upscale U2. Or even if you would like another version, for example, of the 3rd one, you can click on V3. So V3 basically, it will give you another variation of the 3rd design. Check all your designs. Sometimes they are a bit distorted, etc. But for the sake of this video, I won't go in detail on this on that. I just wanted to show you what you can achieve, what design you can have using Midjourney, and these are pretty awesome. It can take a few minutes, so I'm gonna pause the video and come back to you later. So here is the upscale version of the design. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna click on Open Original, and I'm gonna save the image. It's not, the quality is not so good because when I zoom, you can see those distortions. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Photoshop, and we're gonna try to enlarge this image a bit more, as well as removing the background, because you can see that the background is green. So let's go to Photoshop to do that. So I have my design here in Photoshop. First of all, I'm gonna remove the background. Once you have selected the green area that you would like to remove, you go to the property. If you cannot find property, you go to Window, Property. You will find it here. Then you go to your quick action on the property, and you click on Remove Background.